Did you know that some offshore oil platforms are taller than the world's highest skyscrapers and can operate in waters deeper than Mount Everest is tall? This engineering marvel represents the pinnacle of human innovation in extracting energy resources from the most challenging environments on Earth. Many organizations in the oil and gas sector face significant challenges in managing offshore operations effectively. Without specialized offshore engineering expertise, companies struggle with project delays, cost overruns, and safety concerns. The complexity of offshore operations, combined with evolving technological requirements, creates substantial risks for unprepared organizations. At the individual and team level, engineers often find themselves overwhelmed by the multidisciplinary nature of offshore projects. They struggle to integrate various technical aspects, from subsea systems to topside facilities, leading to communication gaps, technical uncertainties, and reduced project efficiency. This advanced program addresses these challenges by providing comprehensive knowledge of offshore petroleum engineering principles and practices. You'll master everything from reservoir characteristics to production facilities, while learning about the latest technological innovations in offshore operations. The program delivers practical insights into offshore project management, risk assessment, and technical decision-making. You'll learn from experienced offshore engineers and analyze real-world case studies that demonstrate both successful strategies and valuable lessons from past challenges. Organizations see significant improvements after their engineering teams complete this program. Projects run more smoothly, technical decisions become more informed, and safety standards improve. Companies report better cost control and more efficient project execution in their offshore operations. For individual engineers and teams, the impact is career-changing. Participants develop the confidence to handle complex offshore projects, contribute to technical discussions at a higher level, and take on leadership roles in challenging offshore developments. Don't let the complexities of offshore petroleum engineering limit your potential. Join this masterclass to gain the expertise needed to excel in this demanding field. Enroll now to enhance your technical capabilities and become a leader in offshore petroleum engineering.